Alright, so this is my first ever recording this audio. I hope it's good, because if it isn't, I'm going to delete this and never see this again. It's my first time actually playing this game. I have like no idea what I'm actually doing. So, do I just start going? I guess. Do I have to like start a game or something? I don't understand. This game is crappy. That's nice. Alright, time to actually see what I can do. What's this? Alright, portal to soccer. Portal to playground. Portal to Mars. No, I don't want that. Neither do I want this status. Why am I saying status? Okay. This is like the glitchiest game ever. It's also probably not helping that I'm not playing with full screen. Just suck at this. I don't even know how to start this. What's F? Okay, so that's that. China. When China starts coining, we're in American. What am I saying? Think I can make this done? No need to ask. I made it. Should I get the checkpoint? Nope. Should I probably fall? I don't want to fall, but I probably will. Like I almost fell there. Probably should get the checkpoint. But I don't feel like it. Also, I'm cooking. Don't ask me why my name tag is Apple Human, because I felt like it. Okay. It's gonna be the weirdest video ever because I have audio. And I have no need to say anything right now. Am I supposed to get like speed or something? Do I just fall? Yeah, that's the best idea. I mean, like the fastest way to travel is probably like this. Or you could just do that. Alright guys, we're watching an ad. You're holding hands, guys. I know it's crazy. Okay, so just sponsor me. I don't like this game at all. Let's play. What should I play? What is a game I should play? I don't know. Just clicked on a random game because I thought it looked interesting. Let's see. I don't want to. I can't move my screen. Now let's just play Polytrack. I know I play this way too much. But what? I bet you guys would love to hear this. But you can't hear it. I just realized I might have mentioned something about sound. I'm actually this doesn't work against my favor. I might be cooked. What I just said didn't make any sense. I don't like that. I don't think I'm cooking today, guys. I think I'm actually decooking. Which would be like, well, there isn't really a way to uncook. There's no way to uncook something if you think about it. Turn whatever. Just give it a name. That would be like, that'd be like a cool thing to do. And I'm mostly focusing on school right now. By that I mean I honestly probably should just be in bed right now, but I mean it's actually not that late. At the time of recording this, I think one of the videos I posted came out. The last video was out soon, hopefully. I don't know. 37. I'm probably just not gonna talk for a little bit. So yeah. Don't give up, man. I'm actually gonna stop playing it's kind of beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, what a great, beautiful thing. When the skies turn blue. It was beautiful. Don't ask me what I'm saying, because I have no idea. I think I almost crashed there. Could be doing a lot better than actually. 35. Maybe worth it. I don't know. To check my other account, which I cannot show currently. Like I can have such a better start. Such a better start. But unfortunately, it's not happening. That's not happening. So why am I going so deep? My brain is going haywire. It's not even late at night. Sure, it's dark out. I'm probably like the weirdest person you're ever gonna watch. And I hope you feel great about that. Because the honest truth is that my one subscriber is my friend. And that is honestly fair because I think I stopped posting for like 2 weeks. The video I posted, I think it was called like Polytrack Part 1 or something. It got like it got me like 90 views. That's like my max views. And you know the crazy part is my watch time is like so low. So like probably most people won't even hear me talking about this. I don't know why you would see me, because you can't see me. The thing is, I'm probably never gonna do anything. I'm probably gonna forget about is this? This is a good run. I'm good. This is gonna be like my last one. This track. Yeah. If this is gonna be like my last run on this track. Ooh, this is actually a pretty good run. He says, and then gets overtaken. And that is where I get out. I doubt you can even hear the sounds. Like, this is my first video. I'm using an internal mic in my computer. This is gonna be like the most embarrassing video ever. So I'm just saying a bunch of random stuff. And that's weird. If you really think about it. I wonder if I actually get a comment on this video. I would love it if you could tell me if you play this game to use the arrow keys or WSD. So most people I know use WSD, but I use the arrow keys because I've always used the arrow keys for games. Oh my gosh, I actually thought it was gonna crash there. It's not even a good time. Not even a good time, man. We don't talk about that. Hope that actually kind of worked out in my favor. Kinda, not really. Gave me more speed. Did not work out very well, though. Just imagine somebody walking in and like, why are you talking to yourself? Huh. This is the weirdest video ever. Is this a track I think it is? Because if it is, I don't know. I'm not playing this track. Okay, I think I like Ghost City. Yeah. Oh, too bad I'm not letting my main account. Could be reaching so many good times. No. That was such a good run too. So probably half of this dialogue is gonna be like cut out because I talk so quiet. I've been looking through like the algorithm or something, and apparently what most people want to see is like gameplay of Apple Night 2. So I think that might be what my next video is gonna be on. If that's a successful video, if this is a successful video, maybe I'll start doing content like this where I just talk about random stuff. Probably should have a purpose to my video, so I don't even know what it's gonna be named. This is probably not gonna be posted. This probably might be posted like a week after, because I actually have to limit my time. So some of us might have not done everything for the channel so far, so I think I don't know. I think that's gonna be the video. So bye. It's like my first video talking. I hope I didn't talk too quiet. I'll check for an auto, and if I did, that's gonna be sad. Alright, bye.